Canva has made it very easy for anyone to make business card. Very simple. Whether you're a pro designer or you're just starting up, you can just go straight to canva.com, pick one of the design here and just plug yourself to it, and on a twinkle of an eye, you have a beautiful design, all customized to your taste, downloaded immediately to your phone or your PC. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make business card using Canva. Whether you're on free, whether you're on pro, anyone can use Canva to make business card and it becomes yours. Yes, it becomes yours. My last tutorial I talked about how you can generate QR code, and if you're just new to my channel, I started a playlist called the Canva playlist whereby I explain everything about Canva. I've made a separate video on how to make logo, a separate video on how to make posters, separate videos on how to make flyers, brochures, social media flyers. I've talked about the website, I've talked about stickers. Last one was the QR code, and today we are in the business card. All right, so to start, you can either start from this side. You type in what you want. From this template, you can search for business card, and you should have other drop-down options you can pick from. And so we have the landscape business card, real estate business card, cleaning business card. There's always options for you. You can pick and you start making, or better still, you can come here and click on create design, and from here you search for what you want. You can search for business card, same way, same process, and you have business card in rounded corner, we have business card in landscape and rounded corner in portrait and all this. But what I advise is just come in here and type business card, and there are tons and tons and tons of. But if you feel like you're a pro designer and you want to start all this from scratch, feel free to create a blank business card. But if you want to edit your former work, you can come here to create design and import your file. In case you have a Canva file you want to edit, just import it or customize. If you have a customized size, you can just click on custom size and you pick it either in pixel, in inch, in mm, or in cm, and you just put in the width depending on the measurement you want, and you should have a beautiful design if you do the right thing. So over this place, we're going to pick one of all these and just customize it to our own taste. So now let's just keep scrolling down. Let's scroll down till we get something. But before that, check for the screen because there are some attached watermark on Canva. So this one is pro. Why this one is pro? This one is totally free. This one is totally free. This one is paid. This one is pro version. So always check for this. The beautiful one might have the pro. So if you want to join the pro team, you want to join my Canva pro team, feel free and watch to the end. I will tell you what to do. So now from here, let me pick one of this design and customize. Let's say I like this. So let me just move around the screen and I have something like this. You just see this is what it's going to look front and back. Or let's say you want to create something for a digital stuff. You can come here and type digital business card. And you have that. So let's say digital business card. So from here, it's going to wake up and it gives you all the stuff, and it should load in no time soon. But ensure, in case you're searching, ensure it's not at the project level. It should be at the template tab so that you have that. So over here, you can pick the portrait form or the landscape form. So let's say this is what you want, but I don't want that. No, I don't want that. So we're just scrolling down looking for what fits our taste. Okay, from here we have business card as front and back. So let's say this is beautiful, but I want one that is more professional. Yes, okay, this looks better. So let's what's here. Oh well, you can pick this if you think it suits your choice. You can move on again and see this. Oh, this is just not my liking. Let's come to this one and see. So now this one is 2. Let's say this is what we want. Now I could pick it and just customize it. The same process for this. You want to know how to generate in case you want to add barcode to your design. Just watch the previous tutorial or at the description. You should see a link that talk about how to create a QR code and barcode using Canva. So totally easy. So all right. So now we have that this one from here. Let me pick this and customize this. So wait for it to load. When it comes up, ensure you have a stable network. Now we can customize this to our taste, or you can move down and find more beautiful ones. Yes, so I have this already that I picked. Yes, so but let me show you how I got into this place. Let's say I love this now. Wow, I love that suggestion. That's why one beautiful thing about Canva. So I'm going to customize this template on a fresh tab. Yes, fresh tab. All right, so don't think I forgot what I'm saying. So now it loads in no time soon. You can add your picture to it. You can add your logo. So let's say this is my name. My name is called Island Digital because that's the name of this YouTube channel. I'm going to call Island Digital. So from here, I could leave the manager or I could write YouTuber. So just put on the YouTuber. So from here, I could change the phone number depending on your country code. Just put it there and put the email to and put it there. Then at the address, if you want to add other stuff, let's say you want to add something like your social media handle, you come straight to the element. Let's say you want to add for Twitter, you can type on Twitter like this and hit on enter. Then Twitter will come up in no time soon, and you pick one of these by just clicking it and it appears. Then you could make it smaller like this and you bring it this way. Can you change the color? Yes, it's possible. So click on this place and make the color exactly how it is in that place. So from here, you can make other changes by adding your Twitter handle, the name, if you feel like, by dragging this one over to this place. As it matches, then you put the pending. So I'm going to put straight up my Twitter handle so that you can chat me up if you feel like chatting me up through this on Twitter or following me for more and more tips. So now we have that. I want to put my picture here. So simple. Click on it, right click and just detach the image like this, and we have this frame. In case you don't know what is this, right click on it and see alternative text. Oh, there is nothing there. So it's better still, you want to add a different type of frame, just come here and type in frame at the element tab like this. You should have something. So I'm going to retype that again, and we have beautiful frame listed in no time soon. So this was what was used, but one with a border radius around it. I talked about this in frame in my YouTube channel, in the playlist on how to add frames. Just watch through the video. You should know how to use Canva very well. So we have this one with this stuff like this. You can make other changes, but anyway, so now you want to add your own picture to this, and you want to make it more better. So let me just delete this. So you want to add your picture to this frame. Yeah, go straight to upload, then upload the file. Let's say upload a file from your PC. So pick any design from your PC and add it from your phone. But I want to use this now. I'm going to move this around this frame and then leave it in there. And we have that already beautifully designed. It's very, very easy. So now this is the back or the front, depending on what. So we'll go to the second one and let's see if we want to make logo. So let's say you're having a digital logo like a tech logo. You can come straight to the element and just hit on technology and see what comes up. So let's see technology and see what comes up. If there are better options we can use, and we can use that. So, okay. So it's still giving us technology logo. Let me just put in there at this place and see if anything comes. Still giving us that same stuff under the frame section. Okay, because I used frame. Yes. So always check for these graphics instead. So wait for that graphics to come up and you are good to go. So no time soon we should have in other logo, but if you have a special logo, move around like to the upload something very beautiful, and you should have your design in no time soon. So let's say this is beautiful. I want to just use this. We should use this. Oh, I prefer this, but remember this is pro, and I told you I will tell you how to get this. So now we'll click on that. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to bring in this one and make it smaller by dragging the handle, then I position very well at the center. Then it becomes a logo. I could change this one here and just remove it by writing Island Digital. All right, so Island Digital. When it falls down, there is no need to panic, or better still, you can leave it that way, or you can just get this off and break this down so that we have it this way. You can make it different color if you want by coming in here and making it yellow, your choice, but ensure you click on this like this before making it yellow, or click on this, then over here you can make the color a different one by clicking here and picking the yellow, and we have everything like that. Hope you enjoyed this video. All right, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell, because other videos will come and I won't want you to miss it. So in case you want to join my channel, you want to join my pro team, don't forget, just check the link there. There is a link to my Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel and drop your best comment there. I will assist you immediately so that you join as soon as possible. All right, back to our design. Let's finish things up. We have this all design. Things have been changed. Next in there, you can share immediately. So when you're sharing, you can share and download. Yes, so we're going to download immediately. You can download as PNG or JPEG, or if you have better options you want to use, you can move on as PDF standard, best for printing. You want to send to email, you can use this. So let's say we want to download as PDF. Let's just leave as PDF. Then look at here, you can change to CMYK if you're on the Pro, so that anyone, the difference between RGB and CMYK is best for printing, while RGB is best for viewing. You want to share on screen so that people can see it on Facebook and all stuff like that. You can use that. So over that, now we can download immediately. So let's download and we are good to go. So now, very simple, follow that same process and you have your design all ready. Thank you for watching and thank you for having me here. I'll see you in other tutorials on how to make this same stuff. Call at the home section, as I've said before, pick on the design stuff, go around the template and have a lot of things. Canva is easy to work with. Just ensure you are with the right team, or you have the Pro or the free one self can give you. So I'll talk about the next thing here. I think next thing I'll be talking about is mocking up. Then I'll move on to video editor, YouTube video editor. All these I'll talk about them. Then finally I'll talk about document, PDF editor, and how to add stores and stuffs. All right guys, let me not waste more of your time. I'll see you in other videos. Thank you for watching.